Excuse the red face, excuse the tears. I am pissed. I am beyond pissed. Our president had the nerve to tell us in North Carolina, after all the flood, after all the hurricane did, that there is nothing for us. There is no help for us. We have to receive help from other countries. Australia and Canada are coming to help us. Thank God I am not in one of the areas that was flooded, but I have family up that way. But guess what? We don't have self-service over there. There is no internet over there. There is nothing over there. There's no power. People lost their businesses. People lost their cars. They lost their homes in landslides. And our president, who is supposed to be for the people, says, oh, no, there's nothing for North Carolina. There's nothing for North Carolina? Come on. So you're just gonna give billions, and we're talking about $400 billion was just given to Ukraine, but he can't help us here in North Carolina? Asheville barely even exists anymore. It is so covered in mud and debris. I mean, they're still finding people that are hurt, that have passed away. I am beyond pissed. And people think it's okay to vote for these dang Democrats. They're betraying our country left and right. They're taking our money and giving it away. I'm supposed to go have an operation tomorrow, and I don't even know if I can. Because it's out of town. Up toward where everything was affected. But, you know, this riles me up because he can give to other countries, but he cannot give to us.